Laser treatments for unwanted hair has proved to be safe and effective. Let us see step by step of laser hair reduction at Vitals Skin and Hair Clinic, Bangalore. After complete medical evaluation, history and examination, patient is explained about the procedure and number of sessions required. The pre and post-operative care is explained with an informed consent. The area of concern is marked with white pencil under the adequate light. We use grids to give adequate energy according to the area of concern. After marking the area of concern, the area is shaved, taking care not to leave any hairs behind. At the same time, we avoid any cuts or any vigorous shaving. Pre-cooling during the session is absolutely mandatory. Our laser is equipped with the chill tip, which is very effective for pre-cooling. We use hypoallergic, transparent and a cold gel which help in penetration of laser adequately and also helps in protection from skin injury. Patient safety is our priority. We give the eye protectors for patients during the entire procedure. We choose adequate and appropriate parameters based on site, skin color, hair thickness, and then laser is started within the grids which are pre-marked. They are done in horizontal, vertical and circular movement fashion to cover the entire area. We advise moisturizers, sometimes anti-inflammatory creams and sunscreens for protection after the laser treatments. At Vitals, you can expect faster, reliable and long-lasting results. At Vitals, we use USFDA approved high-power hair removal diode laser system which has high safety profile, less painful and faster treatment time. We have taken complete safety measures with adequate fumigations. Safety rules are our best tools. Are you looking for laser hair removal treatments with professional care, USFDA approved machineries, safety environment and best results with so many exciting offers? Call us on 920-6869-610.